Hi, I'm Butch Wilson, Director of Instructional Technology here at Mount Vernon Township High School. You were invited to and signed up for a Parent Technology Information Night to talk about technology tools that we use to communicate your students' progress and help you stay up to date on what's going on with them in the school. I'm sending you a link to this slide deck, and I wanted to take just a minute and go over a couple of things that are in this slide deck that you can take advantage of. So really quickly here, this is the link here in the bottom right hand corner to these slides. You're going to see it again at the end of the video. We held parent technology workshops on 4 nights. We talked about Skyward and Google Classroom and some cyber safety information that would be of value for you to have. If you have any questions at all, this link, the bit.ly/201-PRL and capitalization matters, that link, if you type that into a browser, it'll take you to a forum so you can ask questions. I'll keep an eye on that over the next several weeks. And if you have any questions, hit me with them and we will get back to you. Each of these blue sections here are videos. They're short videos that talk to you about cool tools inside Skyward Family Access, where, for example, you can keep track of student attendance. You can set a grade notification so that if a grade gets posted that is below, say, 80, then it will send you a notification. And you can also keep track of your students' grades via the student grade book. Each one of these links goes to a video that shows you how to do that. There's also a video in here that talks about the Google Classroom Guardian program. A really cool thing, you can sign up with your students' teachers' classes that will keep you up to date on activities going on in the class, assignments that have been assigned, due dates, um, other announcements that the teachers put out. You can take advantage of those via the Google Classroom Guardian program. You can watch the slide deck one step at a time by clicking on the picture. You can click on the blue link and see a short video presentation on how to do it. All of these videos will be available to you throughout the year. There's more information here. SAPA is about student privacy, about protecting our students, your students' privacy going through the year. We are really careful about this. Now, it sometimes means that there are some things that we cannot do, some things we cannot communicate. Um, that is part of it, though. We want to make sure we are protecting our students' future by protecting their privacy now. There's some information here on cyber safety. You can click that and watch and get taken to a lot of really cool information. If you do not currently have the Mount Vernon app, you might want to get that. Group notifications, a lot of information is going to get passed through that app. It also is a mobile version of the school's website. Last thing, again, this link right here, the bit.ly/201-parent tech, is a link to all of these slides. So you could pause the video right here, open a browser window and type that in and get all of these slides. I hope that was helpful. I know it was brief. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to use the link that's in the video or just send me an email. I'm Butch Wilson. Thank you all very much.